Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve delete messages on Telegram app. To know how to fix or how to solve delete messages on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this app. As you see in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.